Remake da achui khamdaya pauping Bishnipur we mi chman hai gasa dara maide we kchingun samangaira apam chuwe ena Central Force kuchimi khwai ramnaw ping na demand saira CPSC affiliation quick khwai no objection certificate kamili ngasunda Manipur education officers kutumri suspend saira Congress we para jorone yadra na aju thawbal we aina hapokhaira Kyang Thor, Aja Tatangro Express Pau, Zinchuan HA Shima in a Bamidley, Pau be Messina Nangumsa. Bishnipuli Shman Haigasa, Dara Maite Wikatingun Samahira, Aja Hondari Trata Mikatum Zanga Shman Haigasa, Zingum Hamunga the Truk, a Hantem Dara Maite Wikatingun, Wangu, Sabal Majak Pi Kapum Pabomni, Ayang Tor Samahira, Tarik Tratang, Wangu Derakong Agasway. We me Madi Bishnipur Aina Jurajanpur district, Tharipum Hautak Pailen Bumni, Tima Palaga, Mahan to the missing report, Tasang High Rasai. Kotumi Katingun, Daritrada Akatang, Wango Sabal by Jack Pika Pumpai, the Samkapanga. Ma one Saka Haikatumji, Zingum, Hampangada Katum, Taudam Ibomja, Zingum Hangmadi the Panga, Oinam Roman Kala Zingum Mugoda, Shini Taudam Anan Hoya. Taudam Ibomja Ina. Anananji Vanaunina, Ocho Bishnipur district Hautak Kuvakli, Tarik Tratang, Militan na Naumay Kakap, Pausang Kapanga Haitili, Kashokna the police na, Kahang BTI Pausambanga. Pawa the Shuda Kumbi Hautak Likuki Militan na, Atexata Lui Ot, Sakasana being without now makeup ba la, bomb like Hersanga, Chewy Ener now being Yamarok Hawaji. Militan na Kakapjili, Security Force Nala. Kapkaya gaji Paula Sampanga, Kala Katingun Sankapang Abamji Central Force, K Regiment, Post Ngalemni na Ramnabing na State Force, we ought Makashok Niyang Makaung Pongshokera, Social Activist Jaya Kanjing Bam Nagahang, Kumbi Arealist Central Force Kapam Yarina, Mamayatura Atum, Kapam China Yarili, Secures. Sakang sak malay mana dat tunga sak vai pohira abam ju ena Central Force ko tumtang wi aluni mukuchimi aka yarina sakla ka high education hapok haro jaira Manipur worship kai kana CPSC affiliation quick kawai ka samaram nik nasunda education official ko tumni suspend sahira ituna paning bai maite ko giro kamrat aluni kapung district khani wi worship tharada mati ka dana CPSC affiliation quick haira sai ka affiliation ko quick state shokarna miran no objection certificate mi ka shok malela ngatum ngata da sem ka quick paperwork fraud nimong da CPSC na affiliation ji cancel sami hawa Cancel Sakamiji Kayon December Tarik Makutang Shoka Maram Hiwe Aina Manipur Education Department na Mika Shoka Atishuda Churajanpur Zonal Education Officer ZEO Zhang Koho Haukip Kangbokbi ZEO Ling Ding Neng Kala District Inspector DI of School Il Taidul Atupnya Suspend Sahira Info Directorate of Education na ZEO's Gala School with DI Headquarters Samidale Educational Officer Gutum Jili Suspend Sahogada Atumna Shokarwe Maka Kamaya Mazangla Headquarters Makanchok Baimara Jaira Kangbobi ZEO we outside to the eye of school Joshi Lamko Hat Haukipna additional responsibility Kwisara Jaira Churajanpur the eye of schools Esther Jingne Kim na district ZEO we ought Yang Sangsara Zatraka High Kachang Jishet we aloni Manipur Worship Tarada Madina CPSC affiliation Samgapangna Kangaja in a state board, we worship Akana CPSC affiliation quick Vaika Sali state board Jui Kamaya Jitaida. No objection certificate Kamitra Kasaya. Ka state shoker we shong aina hangda kalay Manipur we worship Akalida certificate Mami Manajawa. Jitata certificate authority na Mamiaka Kachikatana Tunga Tada Kakapika Pepper Mika Sangra Kachi Ninkamong Le how the education department na Hangkamatin Shokairasai. Manipur Education Minister DH Basandana Union Education Minister Secretary Samang Maramji Paikajitai GT Misang the CPSC na worship Magada Panga Gada we affiliation cancel Samiawa. Manipur we aina Maharashtra Vashungi Kaji Congress we para Joronia Yatra Ajo Hapokra Rahul Gandhi na Tanda India Wezim Shoshong Aina Zimintun Vapeki Kaji East to West Cross Country Tour Ji Ajo Tawal District Kungjam we Bravet Leha Akawi aina launch Sara Hapta Kanje Bung we aina launch Saga the Congress na Kabo State Chokarna Mamaya Ngailak Lara Shumda Anolam Ngahan Gakali mi limit aina sapaira la yadra launch ka sali shuru khuigi ka ji saikorowi aming rite mi sangphulung ra ka ji condition par how the congress na khalan hawa congress na korekum saga hai para joro yadra jiwi kan khana ya ka ajwi yadra hilisam hangba parma da shikasang leitalai ajwi para joro nya yadra shongza hina yari we social economic political mission mathag mai chu khamaile khwiwa khwai green sai yadra ji 6,700 km away Shongzang Ansara district Shaka Tharakala state Trada Pangawi Lok Sabha segment Shakali Zat Kawai Randale Ajamani Brui Aina Hobuk Lagazimi show Hang Truk da Truk Tang Zatra Nia Gajihi Mashun Gajida Parajoro Nia Tra Gajihi Ngalay Hikoka Sakawai Mashun Wivang Zat Kawai Gasana Shongzaj Mambaili March Moyotari Makatang Kupsang Kawai Randale Congress with Parajoro Nia Trajina ngalay wi ka issue gajia langpai ka vai ot masam gapang ot mang matai ka ot man matai ka kala machine masam gapang hikatha maram ni krin sada yauri khoka sakwai kasat kami ngasara da hanga congress na kang shokar na yari wi issue parliament ni mukhika ngasak thu da yari kon shang sakwai party jina para joro nia yatra khushok kami kasana congress na sada khalai hi election wi wang maning mana electoral yatra maning mana jidale kha thu ka hai assembly election ni mai khaya wat ka hai party jina maling khawai panglak ina kasa saka atam ning sunda yatra hi election wi wang yari khom khawa kasa thada Tarakana Tekui, PJP Naram Dembali, Kamataya Sadale Ka Congress na ngalay hiwi, Paikazaka Saka bread and butter issues li Kamataya Sada Yatra hiwi, mga ina maram ji highlight Saira de Rahul na hanga. Tangku katam nalong infal tike alaiwe, ajewi tangkul ko magazine habuk ushit haira. English aina the tangkul today, the ajewi tangkul magazine ji zingum tharawi tili habuk ushit kajina. Magazine ji ajewi aina volume kamati ngasaya. Ajewi tangkul magazine thar makeup kaji edition ji Animal Husbandry and Veterinary and Transport Department Minister Kushim Vishumna, awi Secretariat Office li pongmia. Literary contribution chili Otsaka High Long Chu Executive Council Pingala Apora Chili Zangda Kalimaram Pingji Telaka Minister Vashumna Mayakangai Pungshoka Apora China DKLI Karajan Pajon Jitekami Ainang Soda Totili Shokta Kali issues Kalakangasun Sampang da Kalimaramni Pakavai upon Jite Haidale Hanga Zingum Tharawi Chile Magazine Ji Hapuk Lushit Kahaili Niang the DKLI President Pam Pungasa Tanzing WS na Magazine Committee Aina Executive Council in Kashipung Shoka Tanghu Katamna Long Infawi Pungvula Shinda Matot Mika Sarli President Kapang Sanghaira Somijan Keshing ni Speaker Ngapam Mihaira Long Jui Buyer List Warn in Ceremony Aya DKLI Office Tanghul Avenue Community Hall Likwikaya Tanghul Biber Organization Infal with President Tanghul Baptist Church Infal with Bastard DKLI Tribunal Tanghul Kernau Bingala Dignitaries Aina Well Wishers Bing Ranya Jili Vazanga Local fishing community li Kangasan Malayla Stake Shokarna Loktak Inland Waterways Project Manga Kwivak Vai Kasali all Loktak Lake Areas Fisher Union Manipur Alafam Namakamaya Pungshokaira Project Jinanga Yichi Ecological Chili Jahanda Kale Kai Kapashimgur Shashali Sasaki Kachina the Union Jina Ninka Creek Pungshoka Abam Chui Kai Kapaping China Primary Stakeholders Nasalaga Project Chui Vang State Level Kangasani Atunimbo Hotuoji, Alafam with Secretary Oina Rachin Nakang, Transport Department na Inland Waterways Project with Maram Achahon Taritra the Kanitang, Old Secretariat Conference Holy Kangasan Kwikai. Kala Loktak Development Authority Office Lila Project, Chui Kangasan Ayakwikai. The department officials being a Loktak Fisher Pinit, Jita Hailaga Maram Chili Kangasun, Makalay All Manipur Entrepreneur Association ni Ngot Howard, Shokarwi Otsakli Alafam na Makamay Mamia Kangai Ponshokaira. India li tuka hai bumagada matiwi aluni COVID cases katar shamadi hamadi da aga sampanghaira active cases suida da 3,238 aina later Union Health Ministry na aya baushoka acha honthang aina ayawi aluni COVID kazat wi aina gachi mushok manaji COVID ka kazat thang wi case December khoyon tarik phanga thang wi aina matai ka chekuya kha data attitude COVID aga yuji in one variant hiwi aina case Merchant aina matai ka sang mathe khui mana love variant chui aina arishang ni khang ha matai ka sang mathai mana the official pau samanga India li COVID ka zada khle active cases ka chunga ja shimni isolate salaga nga hada le the ministry na hanga Ngale hui mi saikor na ngalang phai khawai apong samang khawai phaikar ku khisa the center shokarna Shekashina Pingwang Employability Skill Course Hapok Mihaira Department of Environment of Person with Disability DEBWD na enable India ling shikta Employability Skill Course of for person with disabilities na pung hangshini kaka interactive course launch sa Mihaira DEBWD Secretary Rajesh Agarwal na ingsang kami azingni Indian shokarna chithada Shekashina Pingwang course ngaran kami hina kroili zanga Course G Guwahati Berber Fest Kamayoni launch Sakamiya. Jainang so the National Council for Vocational Education and Training, the Department for Empowerment of Person with Disabilities ling shikta Assembly Standard with Guideline ni Pongmi Haira. Guidelines G Physical Digital Skill Training Infrastructure we Wang Lazang the Government Associated Skill Training Organization ping the Shurbaira. Chitha the guidelines le mikahai China Yari Shangwi mi Saikorana Zangabai Shuruk, Quickby Accessibility, Gala Inclusive Apong Kuramira, the Department Jina Indian Press Bureau Li Pungshoka. 10th and 11 IRP training Mivang Manipuri, Assam Nikari and Jehovah Kangaran, Shogarna Cancel Sahira. Atumri training Mikavai Apong Gatangaran the Hangahira. Indian Reserve Battalion IRP personnel recruit Satatar Ping Assam training Vivang Johora Gajili Makamayale Harasai. Tawai Miral Long la recruit we ava avashim kurzang dana atumi safety we wang ninkarikta makamaya le hairasai recruit pingji asam ni khwagi kachi shongza kugi kapan bamni wakanra da sagaza zakashi shokpai shina da shokar we khangran ngchemi khwai diman sa hairasai itumi safety lip paning mi da training ji Imphal East District li rungmilu da shungkhur jina kabosaya Training kali room gi kaji khala kaji horza ka hai male ranga kha timan ka saje shamide shokarna atumni bairot mukhui khawailer safe sakamai alternative apong phakora da phonghaira Sanaushan ni kaza pai lak ka hai cervical cancer suita khawai phekar khuita Indian shokarna human papilloma virus vaccination campaign hapo khawai mujokhaira campaign ji matailak aina shinausan Shinhousing Kumchiko, Aina Tarada Matiwa Aloni Kalapini, Target Sara, campaign Adam Horza Kahironi, Masemrangaka, cervical cancer, Makazakawai, Ari, Kapkami immunization drive, Face Katum Aina Zerda layer. Color campaign Chui, Wang, Arito, Scroll Shini, and Haitale. India Li Cancer Kagaza, Sunang Child cervical cancer na Kakani Zanga, Chui Aina Kan Kawai Shokawi immunization program Nikamadaya Sata, Yang Sangra Jitale, World Health Organization Atishuda, India Mangmaning la Okatui Abam Saikora, Yang Laga, Cancer Kagazali, cervical cancer na Kaman Samikap Kuchi, Kamadini Zanga. Human papilloma virus Kasha Aina HPV vaccine dose, Aka healing fully Lubatin Kani, Shika Aina Yormira. Kazat Magazakawai, Kasali Lupa, Mading Karana Kahap, Mangasakawai, the vaccine G Shokawi, Kimbaini Kalem, and Mikawai Sadale. India li cervical cancer Kagazajung Sandale, 2022 kum 4.6 lakh Kazaka Sachi, 2025 kum 15.7 lakh Kazahola by the Ninka Kashaklea. Luda Achukamdaya Bobbing. Pishnibur we meet Manhaigasa Dara my day week Tingun Samahira, a bomb Jew and a central force, Kuchimi Kavai of not being a demand Sahira. CPSA affiliation quick Kavai, no objection certificate Kamili Nasunda, Manipur education officers could suspend Sahira. Congress we para Joronia Yadra Aju Taubalwi Aina Hapokaira. Aja we pau hiling chang haira pau na dak lin thum sai ko ling phag la kham hai chung shong sa serano